Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix desktop icons not displaying correctly. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Delete icon cache.db file. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.